back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing our August 2019 Fruit for Thought. Y'all ready to see what's in here? Huh? Well, you're gonna have to wait just a second because I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Fruit for Thought just in case you don't know. So, Fruit for Thought. Every month, the Fruit for Thought subscription box will feature a different fruit and or vegetable theme. Your box will include a combination of products with scents, flavors, and colors that coordinate with that month's theme. Themes will always be shown in advance on our website. So yes, you can do a sneak peek and see upcoming themes. And I have the themes through December. Y'all want to hear what they are? So September, you guys, I will put their Instagram down below. Definitely head over and follow them if you're considering this box, because the few sneak peeks they have put out for September, oh my goodness, are you kidding me, y'all? It is peanut butter and banana. I mean, do I need to say anything else? October is coffee and apple pie. Could we get any more cozy? Yes, please and thank you. November is grapefruit mint. And then December is Candyland. Oh my goodness. So it says our boxes may include home decor, jewelry, accessories, stationery products, luxurious bath and body products, artisan items, yummy goodies, and much more. Now, for the full size, because they do have two different options, the full size subscription is $44.99 a month. It's a fun gift box with a new fruit or vegetable theme. Each month you will get 5 to 8 specially curated items with that month's theme. And then for the mini, it's $31.99. And it says try Fruit for Thought, but pay less. Get 4 to 5 items in the mini subscription with the same theme and presentation as the monthly large box. Items may vary per box, excuse me. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Fruit for Thought. And I'm telling you guys, like I said, head over, check out their Instagram. The peanut butter and banana, y'all, I think I've only seen 3 items and I'm like, what? Okay, so I also, yay, thank you so much Fruit for Thought, have a promo code, you guys. So if you use the promo code SOUTH20, you can get 20% off the full size subscription. So that's pretty amazing. And you do get free shipping if you go ahead and prepay for a 6-month plan, because they do offer monthly, 3-month, 6-month, 12-month. So, and obviously the price lowers a little bit if you prepay. So that is fantastic. I do want to say thank you so very much to Fruit for Thought for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it. Sorry about that. So I just, again, thank you so very much to Fruit for Thought for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. This is an amazing box, you guys. So let's get in here. I do know the theme for August, and it is peaches and cream. And I'm like, what? Like, did she come up with these themes for me? Like, because peaches and cream, peanut butter and banana, coffee and apple pie. Oh my gosh. Okay, in the box we go. Okay. Yay. Oh my gosh, are you, okay. First of all, last month was my first month unboxing this, and I thought it was so adorable that there was a little ribbon tied around that literally has like fruits and stuff on it, and it's so cute. And it's on there again, but y'all, do you guys see that stinking cute, adorable little peach paper clip? And you see the ribbon and their logo. What? That is so adorable, you guys. Oh my gosh. Ah. So let me take that off. That is so cute. I love that so much. This is one of those that, because this ribbon is so beautiful, I hate to have to like open and get into, but we have to, so I try to do it carefully. as to not mess up the ribbon. And oh, well, I can cut that in, but yay, I got it out. Okay, so there is that. And then, oh, I see some goodies. So we have some cards on top here, so we will look at that in just a second. I just kind of want to show you guys. Oh, those are, okay. So this is what we see. These right here, I'm not sure if these are peach flavored. I would assume that they are. But these right here, like the peppermint version of these is one of my favorite candies. The way they just like melt in your mouth. So if these are peach flavored, because one of my second favorite candies is peach rings. So if this is peach flavored and it melts like that, I may have a new favorite, and I may need to know where she found these. But here we have the card that says August, peaches and cream. And then it does go ahead and tell us September theme, peanut butter banana. I'm telling you guys what. All right, so what's in the box? So it does go over everything here. So we'll reference that when we need to. And then we have a recipe card here for peaches and cream fruit pizza. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna hold that up in case you want to like pause the video or something. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna move some of these squigglies. And we are gonna get into this box. I'm gonna go ahead and get the little candies out so that they do not fall out. But I mean, we've got a good amount of candies right here. Yum. Do any of y'all have like a mom hiding place for snacks and goodies? I do. I'm not even gonna lie. I do. All right, so this is kind of a better idea here of what we see when we kind of move squigglies and stuff. So I'm gonna start here. This looks interesting. What are you? Fresh containers, 3 pieces, BPA free. Oh, is this Tupperware? It is. It's like it's a set of 3 Tupperware. Can always use Tupperware because my husband is always losing it. He says he doesn't, but I promise you he does. I'm gonna take this off because y'all, this is adorable. So the Tupperware has the fruit on it, and obviously you see peaches, but it's 3 of these, and these are like the perfect size. Like you use this size for so many things. This is amazing. So let's see what it says here. Won't it be fun packing your lunch in one of these 3? In one of the 3 pack, this is from Widgeteer or Widgeteer.com. Containers decorated with your favorite fruits. Oh, that is, I just think it's cute. That is awesome. Okay, so that is one item. And then there's something right here. And this is from Lux Blue Handmade. Oh, this is a shampoo bar. Solid shampoo is the newest way to wash your hair and perfect for travelers. Simply rub over wet hair and use fingertips to massage lather. Rinse clean. Oh, that smells so good. So there's that guy, and it says luxblue.com has made for us a peach shampoo bar to make your hair smell great. And y'all, that does smell so good. Peaches is one of my favorite scents. All right, and then let's see. This is from Flower Pot Tea Company, Sun-Kissed Peach, flavored blooming tea. 4 wrapped tea blooms makes 48 cups of tea. So like you could make a pitcher. Oh, I like this. This right here tells us on the side, the flavor is between mild and bold, literally halfway. And then caffeine for chill, or it says buzzy. It's at a level 2 out of 5, so not too much caffeine. Reminiscent of sunshine, the peach captures both the taste and good health of summertime. Our sun-kissed peach tea is brimming with juicy nectar, grounded by mellow notes of white tea and elegant floral sweetness. And it has jasmine flower, marigold, white tea, natural flavors, and gomphrenia flowers. So it says, bloom in a teapot. Add 1 bloom to a clean teapot. Fill teapot with a quart of hot water. Wait and watch. Steep for 3 minutes. And then enjoy your cup. Reuse your blooms. Infuse your blooms up to 3 times. This package contains enough blooms to make 4 pots of tea or 48 cups. Awesome. No tea bags, pure tea. So again, that is what that looks like. And this says, reminiscent of sunshine, the peach flowering tea by flowerpottea.com captures both the taste and good health of summertime. Watch the bloom unfold. And this was only in the full-size box. All right, and then, what are you? Be in a good mood. Hopeful Sweet Peach Car Fragrance. Ooh. Yes, I'll be fine with my car smelling like peaches. What is this? This is from beinagoodmood.com. Peach scented car air freshener will have a healing, relaxing influence to immediately put you in a refreshing mood while driving. This also was this is only in the full-size box. So it looks like from this picture here, it's one of the ones that you like clip on your, I'm like ripping into this bad boy because I know that I'm gonna love it. Be in a good mood. Hopeful Sweet Peach. I can almost smell it through the package. I'm taking it out. I'm gonna smell it now. And then after I finish filming, I'll just go ahead and go put it in my car. Oh. My car is going to smell amazing. So that is what it looks like. And it's open there. And then it has here where you can adjust to put it onto your vent. Y'all, that smells so good. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, what is this? This is adorable. Hand poured soap, Cheeky Peach. Yeah, what is this? Peach scented and shaped soap on a rope, handmade by Ruby Fizz Soaps at Etsy.com, will make it a fun addition to bath time. It's soap on a rope, but it is a peach. Can you guys see that? It's a peach. Oh, I can smell it, and it smells so good. Oh, I'm just loving all this peach. Okay, and then it looks like we have one more item. Yeah. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my gosh. Okay. What? CountryHomeCreations.com brings to life a lovely blend of real peaches with the perfect amount of rich creaminess to make this mix a soon-to-be party favorite. Dip this with any of your favorite sweet treats, from graham crackers to sugar cookies. It's dynamite with fresh fruit. See recipe included. Okay, so that's where I was seeing on the recipe where it talked about making the dip. So this is kind of like your sauce. if you make this on that recipe, this would be the sauce on your fruit pizza. But I am probably going peaches and cream dip. Oh my gosh. So you use this, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, and you just mix it together. Oh, y'all, this right here. Oh, I just can't wait. So that was everything for the August 2019 Peaches and Cream Fruit for Thought. You guys, what? So just to recap, this, I know it's gonna be delicious, peaches and cream dip. This super cute Tupperware. What? My husband is not touching this. This sun-kissed peach tea. It's enough for 48 cups, which is amazing. We got the peach shampoo bar, which I know those are like all the rage right now. This super cute, like peach soap on a rope that smells fantastic. We got this amazing smelling, like, yum, peach car freshener, smells fantastic. Y'all, I'm just like, and then the candy. And you know what? I'm going to try one. Do y'all want to know if it's peach flavored? I want to know if it's peach flavored. We're going to try one. This is so good, and it is absolutely peach flavored. Y'all, I've never seen these before. I need to know where these came from. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me know your thoughts down below. What did you guys think? You guys, I'm serious. The September box, the peanut butter banana. There's been a few spoilers leaked on Instagram. Like I said, I'll link that down below. Looks amazing. Like, amazing. So, like I said, I will put her Instagram down below, as well as a link to the site, so you can order if you would like to. I definitely recommend it. This box is phenomenal. And don't forget to use the code SOUTH20 to get 20% off your first full-size box. I promise you guys, you will not be disappointed, especially the September box. The few items I have seen already, and I think it's only 3, are just like mind-blowing. I'm like, what? What? So definitely check out Fruit for Thought. This is an amazing box. I just love how everything is coordinated, but it's such a diverse mix of products. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.